So let's continue on exercise 2.1b. In this section, we're going to explore applying characters, formatting to text as you type. So we will add some content. So let's start with the title of this section. So once you open this CO2 E01 terms document, press and hold on the control key and then press the home key. That will take the insertion point to the very top of the document. So again, the control key is here and the home key should be somewhere over here, right to the backspace. So on this keyboard, the home key is right here. So hold on the control key and then press home key quickly. So let me do it one more time. So my insertion point is blinking somewhere in the middle of the document. I hold on the control key and then press home key really quick, and the insertion point moves to the very top, very beginning of the document. And then I'm going to type, let's see, glossary of terms. Glossary of terms. So once I have that, in fact, they wanted you to do it the other way. So there's a couple, you can type something and then highlight, and then you can apply the formatting just like that. I'm going to undo it. Or instead, you could set the formatting like that, and you type and then deselect, and whatever you type would not have the bold and italic. And well, that's what the textbook showed you, but either way, it's your choice. You can type the text first and then select and then apply the formatting, or you apply the formatting first, you type, and then you deselect. My personal preference will be type text first and then apply the formatting later. So that way, I guess that way I could kind of take a look at how it's going to look after I type everything. Anyway, so I guess it's a personal preference. Alright, so once you do that, you can highlight it and then remove the formatting. So clear all formatting. So click on it, and that removes the all the formatting. But I want it back. So what do? I can click on undo. So it's bold and underlined. And then we will move down to the bottom of the document. So I hold on the control key, and this time click on the end button. So end button is, here's a control button, and the end button is over here. So hold down the control key and press N. That'll take the insertion point to the bottom of the document, and I press the enter key, and then we will start typing the text on figure 2.2 on page number 41. So let me do the way the textbook shows. So I select the font face to be bold, and I type letter B, and letter C, enter, and then I type carpal tunnel, oopsie, hold on, carpal tunnel syndrome, comma, full comma, and then take off the bold and continue on typing a condition. So let me pause the video for a minute or two, and then I'll come back with everything typed. So I'm back. I typed it up and I applied some formatting. So for example, the entry title, carpal tunnel syndrome : is bold, like that. And also, let's see, the word syndrome here in the description is it's italicized. By the way, if you double click, so if you click once, the insertion point goes in between the letters. But if you double click, it doesn't have to be right in the middle. Somewhere along the word, double click on it, and it'll select the entire word. And then, let me just do it again, double click. And then you will have this quick access here. So you can use the underline or italic or bold, change the font face, size, and so on. So that's a kind of a handy tool. And I typed the other terms, so cells and clip art. So and then I double click the word and apply the italic, and here the processing, the word processing is also italicized. So it's a handy tool. So if you just double click on the word, it selects it, and then you have this quick access tool box right above it or right below. Alright, so that's end of exercise 2.1b. And let's go ahead and save this by clicking on this save button on the quick access bar. And we will continue on 2.1c in a minute. Well, in fact, let's stop here, and then we will have another video for 2.1c.